One reason we need something like blockchain is because it's a decentralized financial network. The issue is that hierarchy doesn't scale. There are only so many customers that a hierarchical bank can reach with its brick and mortar branches. But in a digital network system where the algorithms confirm the identity and provenance of customers and wallet balances, this can scale in a truly global way. So that will be important for financial inclusion. So just like there was cell phones were a leapfrog technology in emerging markets, it didn't make sense to build out POTS, plain old telephone service, into communities when digital telephony networks were available, and so cell phone service quickly penetrated countries worldwide. So we're at a similar moment now in the financial services revolution, looking at financial inclusion in the sense that it doesn't make sense to build out brick and mortar banks to every last community in the world when digital wallet applications are just like the cell phones of 10 or 20 years ago. So we would be expecting to reach the 2 billion unbanked or 4 billion underbanked in the world with digital wallet financial services. And some people think that, for example, financial inclusion is a basic human right. And certainly access to financial services and credit is something that really helps modernize and substantiate the ease of modern human life. So we would expect financial inclusion to be a main effort, a main benefit of blockchain technology. And the point again is just that hierarchy doesn't scale, but networks are infinitely scalable. So this is one of the great benefits of blockchain.